Bringing Chief Meteorologist Dan Cianca now. Dan, pretty Halloween day for those trick-or-treaters out there.
Yeah, it's been pretty nice out there. The clouds are starting to thicken up a little bit. We can take a live look from the PAC-Rep webcam in Carmel. You can see the clouds on the horizon anyway getting thicker, although we've had sunshine sneaking through fairly easily during portions of the day. Temperatures will fall down into the 50s here over the next couple hours, then kind of sit there as the clouds thicken in tonight. Now, those clouds are thickening in advance of a weather system, and you can see it plainly on the map here. It's an area of low pressure off of the Pacific Northwest and a trailing cold front. That will be working its way through here on the central coast as we head through the day tomorrow. So yes, it is going to bring some rain to the region, and as it usually works, some areas will be better suited to see that rain than others. So let's get right into Futurecast and talk about it. Clouds thickening up overnight, and it's possible we may see a few sprinkles overnight for some areas, but by and large, we're not really expecting rain for most areas until late morning to early afternoon tomorrow. So I think even most of us will escape that morning commute without much in the way of wet weather, with some exceptions, which I'll mention here briefly. As we look at Futurecast by 6 a.m., we can see mostly cloudy skies. You see a couple of hints of green out there, so it's possible we could see a few sprinkles. Now, some areas that could see a little precip on that morning commute, specifically maybe in and around the Monterey Peninsula, Highway 1 south of there, also into Santa Cruz County, especially up in the mountains. You're more likely than anyone else to see wet weather on that morning commute, but I don't think it should be anything catastrophic by any means. So some light precip at most. Notice by 8 a.m. we're starting to see the green show up a little bit more here around the bay, but the thicker rain just showing up offshore. The yellows showing up there, that's moderate rainfall, and it makes its approach as we head toward late morning. You notice some green showing up here across the Bay Area, the Monterey Bay Area, I should say, and then offshore that thicker band of precip starting to move its way in around lunchtime or so. And notice it kind of loses some steam as it does so. It's not too infrequent that we kind of catch the tail end of these weather systems and they kind of fizzle out as they arrive here. So areas to the north of us get quite a bit more, you know, and we kind of catch the tail of it. And I think that's going to be the case tomorrow as well. With that said, most areas around the bay are going to get some rain tomorrow afternoon, and actually enough to wet the roadways. Now, if you live inland, especially in the south, Bradley, Parkfield, King City, you might not see much at all tomorrow, to be perfectly honest with you. If you live in Ben Lomond in the Santa Cruz Mountains, you're going to get rain tomorrow. Probably most of the afternoon tomorrow, okay? So that's how it's going to work out. The farther north and west you live, the better chance of rain. The farther south and east, the less of a chance to rain. Now, it looks like this front is going to kind of stall out over us tomorrow night, which may mean some light precipitation kind of hanging around into tomorrow evening as well. As you can see through 8 p.m., 9 p.m., midnight tomorrow night, still seeing some green on the map, but mostly just right around the bay. And even into Tuesday morning, we may still see a few lingering showers out there, but the best chance of a more moderate rainfall will be tomorrow afternoon. And the model showing some good rainfall totals in Santa Cruz County. I think that might be a little high for Santa Cruz. I would almost switch that Boulder Creek and Santa Cruz number. I think that would make a little bit more sense. But notice those amounts fall off rapidly as you head southeast, and that's a little bit more what I'm expecting. So just some light precip, if any, in our southern valleys. Around the bay, you have a better chance of seeing rain, but the best chance would be in Santa Cruz County. Temperatures tomorrow, somewhat cool because of the clouds and rain, staying in the 50s to around 60 degrees across most of Santa Cruz County. Farther south and east you go, you're more likely to be on the other side of that weak front, so it might be a little bit warmer, mid-60s, Salinas to Hollister, Gilroy in there as well. 63 in Castroville tomorrow. Monterey and the peninsula, again, you'll be mostly in that light southerly flow. Not much in the way of wind tomorrow. Might be a little breezy during the afternoon, but that's about it. Mid-60s Monterey and Seaside. And then farther south, temperatures in the 60s up and down the Salinas Valley. And if you get some sunshine in southern Salinas Valley, we might creep a little bit warmer than those upper 60s there in Bradley. Over the next 7 days, temperatures staying somewhat cool. We should be in the upper 60s this time of year on the coast. Notice I've got watching back in the forecast for Wednesday and Thursday. There's another weather system that's going to come through. Some models have it completely missing us on Wednesday, some having it slowing down and getting here on Thursday. So there's a chance in that Wednesday to Thursday time frame we may see additional rainfall. I don't think it'll be any more than what we get tomorrow, though. And right now, next weekend, looking a little nicer. Inland areas, also some rain tomorrow, mostly in the north, though, and closer to the coast. A few sprinkles Tuesday morning. We're watching that Wednesday to Thursday time frame, and it looks like it's going to get a little bit nicer for next weekend.